Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. I'm Jamie and this is Film Empire. Now, I haven't done a Q&A in a really long time, so here I am with your questions and my answers. So let's start right after the intro. So let's jump right in with the first question. Now, Nilesh Kumar, sorry if I butchered your name, the Motion Audio Visual Pack, what is in it? Now, in the Motion Audio Visual Pack is the Atomic Particles effect, the Audio Spectrum effect, and the Audio Waveform effect. Vito Violet Creeper asks, how can I add new fonts to HitFilm? Now, you can add fonts like you would do in any other program. You just open the font file, like the TTF file, and then you double click on it to install it, click install, and if you have installed it on your computer itself, then it is automatically in HitFilm. OMG It's Hey says, moral of the story is you have to eat, sleep, dream, and HitFilm in order to be good at editing on this program. Like with any other piece of software, you need to take your time and learn the program, and by just working with it and trying out new stuff, you get to learn the effects and what they do and how you can use them to create new effects. Like, for example, if you have Adobe Premiere, for example, it will take you also quite a while to understand the program, and after you've used it for a month or two, you'll be able to get on your way really nicely. Turty asks, will you guys ever make HitFilm available for Chromebooks? I highly doubt it, but if it's possible, will it happen? Now, this will probably be very hard to achieve since on many Chromebooks there's like not internal storage and you need to store things in the cloud, and that would probably be like quite hard to work with the file system and all that kind of stuff. And I don't think that the graphics processing units in Chromebooks are that great, so I highly doubt that this will ever happen. BD4U Film Academy says, I want to buy the HitFilm Studio package, but I'm confused. Is it a one-time payment because Adobe Premiere is monthly and yearly packages? Now, with the HitFilm software, doesn't matter if you have Express, Pro, or Studio, you buy 1 year worth of updates, and after that year you can still use the program, but you won't receive any more updates. And if you then want to continue buying the updates, you can for a little discounted price. So you basically pay for 12 months of updates. Abu Musa asks, can I make 2D animation with HitFilm? Yes, that is certainly possible. You could use the Puppet Tool effect, which I believe is only in HitFilm Pro or in a special package in Express. I'm not sure, I have to look that up. And you can, of course, keyframe different pictures to move over the frame and animate that. So that's definitely possible. D1A1V1E1 Animations asks, why is there a HitFilm logo in the bottom of the viewport? Is that a new update I didn't know about? Well, it is a new update, but you won't always get it in the viewport. If you have the HitFilm logo at the bottom of the viewport, that means that you've used an effect that requires you to buy an add-on pack. You can either remove the effect from your shot, or you could purchase the add-on pack which contains that effect, and that will get rid of the viewport logo. Arne Roos asks, how do you export a video in HitFilm that is longer than 5 minutes? Now, the timeline should automatically resize, but if the end is earlier in the video than the actual project file, you can press the P key on your keyboard, which will set the out keyframe at the end of your project, or you can just use the export contents button instead of export in and out point, which will just export everything that is on your timeline. Noel BG Thomas asks, hi, I have a problem with HitFilm Pro. Back in 2017, I used version 6 of HitFilm Pro, and I finally updated to version 9 today, and I found out that my favorite effect no longer exists in the latest version. The Mocha HitFilm effect is not available on version 9. It was available in version 6, but not in 9. Now, Mocha HitFilm is still there. You should just be able to type Mocha in the effects search bar, and it should pop up there. Cabello Matlali asks, how do you blur someone's face in HitFilm? Now, what you want to do is keyframe a mask over the face and then apply either the witness protection or the mosaic effect like you see here. And that is it for today's HitFilm Q&A. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to come back next week for the 100th episode of Film Empire. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.